And what about the marriage life?
As monks, we are not supposed
Getting
to get
married.
married actually.
Okay. Even for
So-
women also same, right?
Same, it's
Yeah,
same
yeah.
actually.
Ma Meuna,
Bhavana
Bhavana,
Asapur.
Asa, Pua. यहाँ से ये व्यू बड़ा प्यारा है यार। तो यार यहाँ पे टेंपल में मैंने सोचा कि जो मॉन्क है उससे बात किया जाए, उसके डेली लाइफस्टाइल के बारे में पता लगाया जाए कि वो लोग क्या करते हैं ना डेली बेसिस पे। तो उसका वेट किया है काफ़ी टाइम, वो अभी 10-15 मिनट हो गए, तो वो आया है अभी। तो उससे बात करते हैं, देखते हैं उनकी लाइफस्टाइल कैसी है, वो लोग किस तरह पूरा अपना दिन गुजारते हैं और किस तरह उन लोगों को क्या खुशी मिलती है और क्या सेटिस्फेक्शन मिलता है माइंडली, मेंटली और फिज़िकली। तो उससे बात करते हैं, आपको बताते हैं, ठीक है। आई केम फ्रॉम पाकिस्तान, स्टेइंग इन दुबई।
Dubai.
या सो दिस इज़ माई थर्ड विजिट, बट आई नेवर बीन टू इन टेम्पल।
Oh,
So she asked me to just let's go here and you see how peaceful it is,
yeah.
how the religious things and how the culture. I said okay, let's go. So I asked your brother,
monk, yeah.
yeah, that what is the history about, and if you can explain to me a little bit about Gautam Buddha,
Oh, yeah.
because in our Quran also, in our book also mentioned, but it's not mentioned by the name,
Oh, yeah.
so I want to get little bit idea and experience about the Buddhist religion. So that's why I asked him if he knows anyone. He said yeah, you are coming in 5 minutes.
Okay.
So I
yeah.
waited
I
for
was
you.
in top of the room.
Yeah.
And the top room actually is very far away.
Ah,
So it
okay.
took some time.
Yeah.
So we are going to eat here? Is that right?
We are planning to go in another places.
No, you do it here? The recording?
Yeah.
It's fine.
Yeah.
So you can ask a question, then I'll give the answer. It's easy.
Yeah, that
Is
is
there-
fine. So how about this temple, like this very old or recently made it?
So you're Alimona.
Yeah, you are.
So the monastery started in 2007 actually.
Okay.
In 2007, we initial constructions were those huts over there actually.
Okay.
Those are the huts, the monks' residence.
Okay.
Monks start staying in these huts actually.
In monks are staying in this
These
house.
huts. One monk has one hut. So we have 42 huts at the moment.
Okay.
Yeah, 23 monks are staying at the moment in this
Okay.
monastery.
All right.
Yeah. So those were done in 2007.
Okay.
And when those were done in 2007, there wasn't a road like this actually.
Okay.
People had to move all those stones by hand actually. It's a huge
Oh.
work. So
Okay.
8,000, 10,000 people in a queue.
Okay.
They moved all the stones by hand.
Okay.
So
To build these huts.
yeah, because they are built in with stones actually.
Okay. The
You
built
see,
with the stone, yeah.
Stones, yeah.
Yeah.
So because when the weather is hot outside,
Yeah.
inside is cooler. When the
Okay.
weather is cooler outside, inside is hot actually.
Really?
Because the stone absorbs the heat.
Yeah.
That's the main reason actually. So in 2007, those were built.
Okay.
Those are the initial constructions. So at that time, this mountain was a bare land actually. Nothing
Okay.
was there.
Nothing
It's
was
empty.
there. Okay.
Just a mountain, that's all.
All right.
So all these both mountains are donations given by to my teacher by the villagers actually.
Okay.
The villagers
Yeah.
donated the land actually. So
So
in 2011, we
Mhm.
started the construction of the pagoda.
2011, yeah.
11, yeah.
Ah, okay.
So for the pandemic season, 2.5 years, we didn't do anything because it was closed.
Mhm.
We didn't allow people to come and go in.
Yeah.
So 2011 to 2024, August 2012, we opened the pagoda actually.
Okay. So what you are doing from morning till evening? What is the activity? How you are living your lifestyle?
So the daily routine goes like this. For example, we wake up around in the morning, around 5 o'clock in the morning,
Okay.
and we do some meditation about half an hour.
Mm-hmm.
Then after that, we go for the morning breakfast at 6:30.
Mm-hmm.
So all the monks queue here actually. They make a queue here,
Okay.
and they walk on foot to the monks' hall, the dining hall down there.
Down there.
Yeah, down there, and they take the meals. So people bring food for us. We don't cook food here in the monastery. We
Mhm.
don't grow food here in the monastery.
Mm-hmm.
People bring food for us daily basis.
Okay.
So one group of people have a chance to try to bring food once a year actually.
Okay.
So annually there are some people rotation.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So until
So then,
even
no, then 8, 10 we come back. to this place, and then we have some cup of coffee or tea.
Mm-hmm.
Then after that we go back to the huts.
Okay. Yeah.
Then either anything is possible. If you want to meditate, you can meditate. If you want to read a book, that's also possible.
Mm-hmm.
Otherwise, you can chat to the monk if you want. Otherwise, you can listen to an audio. That's also possible.
Mm.
So we have big library inside. So
Okay.
that hall over there.
Mm-hmm.
So if you want, you can read books as well.
Mm-hmm.
So that's how we spend the day. Then at 11 o'clock, again we get together here
Mm.
and go for the lunch actually.
Lunch. Same place.
Same place actually. Yeah. So 12:30 we return back and have some chat or something if you want. Otherwise, you just go back to the rooms again. Back again.
Okay.
So from 12:30 to 5:30, it's a free time like 5 hours. So we
Okay.
can, if you want, you can do the same thing as I mentioned, reading
Okay.
books, meditation,
Yeah.
things like that. And after that, 6 we have the chanting.
Okay.
So chanting means, for example, it's like recitation of suttas, that Buddha's discourses in a
Okay.
nice rhythmic way.
Yeah.
Like just in a rhythmic way of chanting.
Mm-hmm.
So it's both in Pali and Sinhalese language actually.
Okay.
Pali is the Buddha's language. he used
Yeah.
to speak.
Yeah.
So not all the monks are participating for the chanting, but most of the monks are participating.
Most of them. Yeah.
6 and it finishes around 7.
Mhm.
So 7, then 7 we go. We have a cup of tea or coffee without milk. No, we don't have milk at the afternoon.
Yeah.
12 noon. So then we go back to our huts and sleep at 10:30.
10:30 you're sleeping.
Yeah.
Okay. This is the whole day routine. Every day.
Every
routine.
day same thing going on actually.
Yeah.
Sometimes you believe it's like a boring thing to become monk because everything we are doing same thing. But once you get used to the conditions, that's okay. Sure.
But what makes you feel like how old you been in to monk or before previous life? What you used to do?
Yeah, I was English teacher actually.
Okay.
I was teaching, not like academic level, I was tuitioning actually.
Okay. Yeah.
Then I became monk at the age of like in 2010 actually I became monk.
Okay.
So since then I continue the monk life. Yeah.
Okay. And what about the marriage life?
As monks, we are not supposed
Getting
to get
married.
married actually.
Okay. Even for
So-
women also same, right?
Same. It's
Yeah,
same,
yeah.
actually. So we have like in this institutions as a group we
Mhm.
take. So we have 850 monks in total in all the branches we have here. So locally we have 75 branches and internationally we have 33 branches actually. So yeah.
So, like, I just want to understand what it makes you different feeling, like
Being a monk, you
be a
know.
monk,
Yeah.
or
so
you just don't want to, like, it's you will be out of sin whatever people are doing, you know,
yeah,
on daily
that's
basis.
the main thing actually. So if I did become a monk, for example, I would have led a normal life, a good life,
Hmm.
but I would have done a lot of terrible bad karma you know,
Yeah,
with my
that-
body, speech, and mind.
Yeah,
So those things are avoided since I became a monk.
yeah,
That's the main thing actually. So I
Yeah.
do meditation for the people, Westerners who come here.
yeah,
So I collect good karma daily actually.
yeah.
Just to believe.
So the Western also they are coming and doing the
daily
meditation.
they're coming around 20-30 people come here
Hmm.
to do meditation. Yeah.
Okay. Yeah, this is this is my third time, but I never seen to communicate with the monk face to face in my
okay.
life.
Okay.
That's why I was a little bit obsessed. Like I want to speak and want to understand the lifestyle,
Yeah.
how you guys are living, and what is your mindset,
Yeah.
and what is the feeling. You know, like even we believe like do the good thing and you should be avoid from the sin. Even in our
That is the
religion,
basic level of,
yeah, that is the
teachings
base.
we do.
Yeah, in our religion also like praying 5 times.
Mm.
But but other things like to marry and all in Muslim you can.
Mm.
But even is the same thing what you are doing. We supposed to do the same thing.
Yeah.
But your life. चलो एक और डेस्टिनेशन 9 आवर के बाद अभी 30 मिनट्स और ड्राइव करके हम लोग आए हैं। ये एक टेंपल है जिसका नाम है व्हाट इज़ द नेम ऑफ दिस टेंपल?
This is Mahameuna Asapura. Mahameuna
मामेउना
Bhavana
बावना
Asapura.
असा पुआ
Mahameuna
मा
Bhavana
मामेउना बावना
Asapura.
असपुआ। How old this place? How many years?
Don't know exactly,
okay.
but to make it like a reconstruction
Construction, yeah.
on 2011.
2011 में इसको दोबारा रिकन्स्ट्रक्शन किया है। बहुत ओल्ड टेंपल है ये, तो काफ़ी बड़ा है और इसका व्यू बिल्कुल सामने है। इस तरफ इसका व्यू है, ये वो जगह है। अभी इसके अंदर जाने वाले। टुक टुक वाले भाई ने कहा मैं इधर ही वेट करता हूँ, थक गया वो बेचारा चला चला के। बहुत टर्निंग वाले रास्ते हैं यार, पहाड़ों के ऊपर से रास्ते बने हुए हैं, ऊपर नीचे अलाउ नहीं है, कैब भी अलाउ नहीं है।
This place is for meditation.
हियर या
Yeah. This is
ये जगह है
able to go even.
मेडिटेशन की जगह है। हमें मेडिटेशन की तो ज़रूरत नहीं है यार। तो अच्छा कैमरा तो अलाउड है। ये मुल्ला जा रहा है। ये इसका एंट्रेंस है और काफ़ी ऊंचाई पे है। यहाँ पे चप्पल उतारना पड़ेगा भाई अंदर जाने के लिए। चप्पल उतार दिए। ये चीज़ें हैं। ड्रोन अलाउड नहीं है, पेट्स अलाउड नहीं है, जूते भी अलाउड नहीं है यहाँ पे। हेलो, बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम। व्यू बड़ा प्यारा है यार, यहाँ से व्यू बहुत ही प्यारा है। ये देख, इस कंट्री में 80% बुद्धिस्ट हैं, बाकी 10% मुस्लिम, 10% क्रिश्चियन, हिंदू। 70 से 80% जो है ना यहाँ पे बुद्धिस्ट हैं। लोग अच्छे हैं यार, काफ़ी अच्छे लोग हैं यार। मैं तो स्टन रह गया हूँ ये व्यू से। वो सामने ना कुछ दरख्त वगैरह जल गए थे क्योंकि गर्मी की वजह से। गर्मी तो यहाँ पे है ही नहीं। नीचे लिखा हुआ था साइन बोर्ड पे कि एक सिगरेट की वजह से जो है ना पूरी आग लग गई थी और ये सामने बिल्कुल ही डिस्ट्रॉय हो गया नेचर। तो यहाँ पे जगह जगह लिखा हुआ है कि अगर आप सिगरेट वगैरह पीते हो तो उसको बुझा दो, जैसे बाहर ऐसे चलते फिरते नहीं फेंकना, क्योंकि यहाँ पे चारों तरफ ग्रीनरी है यार। तो ऑफ कोर्स थोड़ा सा भी अगर कोई अगर खुश्क दरख्त हुआ तो उसको आग लग गई तो ये सबको उड़ा ले जाएगी ना। आपको पता है आग का सिचुएशन, आग कैसी है। और ये टेंपल है, ये बाहर से इसका लुक है। अगर आप लोगों को ट्रैवलिंग वीडियो पसंद है तो काइंडली मेरे चैनल को सब्सक्राइब करें, लाइक करें, कमेंट्स करें। और भी बहुत सारे वीडियो हैं जो मैंने यूट्यूब पर डाली हैं, आप लोग देख सकते हैं। ये बुद्धा का स्टेचू है। बिल्कुल ही साफ़ सुथरा है। और दूसरा लगता है इन लोगों ने रेनोवेट बहुत कुछ सालों पहले रेनोवेट किया था इन लोग ये जगह को। ये देखिए, यहाँ से ये व्यू देखिए। यहाँ से ये व्यू बड़ा प्यारा है यार, बहुत अच्छा व्यू है ये। डोनेशन बॉक्स है। ये अगरबत्ती जलाए हुए हैं यहाँ पे। यहाँ से आप अंदर जाओ। यहाँ से लाइट करो अपनी अगरबत्ती, जलाओ यहाँ से, और बाहर जाके वो गमले में आपको डालना होता है। ये इन लोगों का मज़हब है, इन लोगों का बिलीव है। तो मैं तो बस एक वीडियो बना रहा हूँ कि बाकी रिलीजन लोग किस तरह दूसरे खुदाओं पे बिलीव रखते हैं ना। तो यहाँ से निकलते हैं बाहर अभी। ये इसके अंदर की मेन जगह है, मेन जगह भी जाके देखते हैं। जैसे अपने मुल्क में जैसे स्नो होती है ना, यहाँ पे बारिश ज़्यादा होती है। जैसे अपने वो एबटाबाद की साइड, इस्लामाबाद की साइड ग्रीन है, लेकिन ज़्यादातर वहाँ पे क्या कहते हैं, बर्फ़ गिरती है ना। यहाँ पे बर्फ़ नहीं, बारिश, और मौसम बिल्कुल ठंडा, 18 डिग्री, 15 डिग्री, 16 डिग्री तक रहती है। और पहाड़ों के ऊपर ही यार क्या कहते हैं, दरख्त ही दरख्त हैं, और ज़्यादातर टी प्लांट हर पहाड़ी के ऊपर टी प्लांट है। ये लोग श्रीलंकन नंबर 1 है ना प्रोड्यूस करने में, चाय प्रोड्यूस करने में ये लोग नंबर 1 है। और इसलिए यहाँ पे हर जगह चाय के दरख्त, टी प्लांट ज़्यादा है। काफ़ी सारे टी प्लांट कंपनीज़ हैं, बहुत ज़्यादा चलती है यहाँ की टी जो है ना, पूरी दुनिया में एक्सपोर्ट करते हैं ये लोग। ये देखो, चलो अभी जो मेन टेंपल है अभी उसके अंदर जाके देखते हैं।
This is the last
गौतम बुद्ध।
Gautam Buddha. Okay.
ये बुद्धा का स्टैचू है, गौतम बुद्धा का।
Agreement. And they are the nuns, which is Buddha was there. And you can see that they are the gods. You can see that there is main god
Where?
there. You know, it's just they think that way.
चलो यार, अभी यहाँ से निकलते हैं।